Belinda, did you know every year more than 2.5 million people in the United States develop pressure ulcers? It costs hospitals anywhere between $37,000 and $70,000 to treat a single patient with a pressure ulcer developed in a hospital. And if it happens in our hospital, Medicare and Medicaid doesn't pay us back for it. Pressure ulcers develop because of friction and shearing on the skin, which causes lack of perfusion, leading to tissue breakdown and possible necrosis and debilitating effects on our patients. Multiple studies have found that elderly patients with a low BMI require frequent turning and repositioning. Those with a low BMI require repositioning every 2 hours. Those with an average or greater BMI, only every 4. When repositioning is key that patients are placed in either a 30-degree or a 90-degree tilt, as it offers the greatest offloading of the bony prominences. Upon admission, a patient's BMI should be calculated, and based off of that patient's BMI, we can determine a turning plan. Nurses should then document each time a patient is turned and repositioned. Then repositioning to the previous position would not occur. This should help our department cut down on the amount of pressure ulcers we contribute to the 2.5 million that occur yearly in the United States.